this video is about cutting open lights and resealing them. What's up guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Chris. If you don't know and you're new, this is how we use crazy little saws and stuff like that, and gets all the little pieces of plastic everywhere and it sucks. But it's a necessary evil. So I wanted to show you at least how to do this method, because the next one's gonna be about the ultrasonic cutter and you don't even know about the ultrasonic cutter. So we're gonna show you both. Cutting stuff always, if you don't have a mask, it just shoots into your face, in all of your arms, all that little burning plastic. This is the cut after doing basically just one pass. In certain sections it's got a little slightly deeper cut than elsewhere, but it's just the first path. So now that I have something all the way around the whole light, I have something that this blade is going to want to kind of stick to, and it'll be a lot easier to go this last second path around the light. One thing I did do was I didn't cut 100% of the lens off. What I did was I cut like 98% of it off. Like right there, I left some little bit of plastic right there on that corner and on a couple other places around the light, so that when I separate them with this little screwdriver in a second, there's still going to be some plastic on. And what that's going to do is just allow me to have the right gap when I go to seal these things back up. You see that gap right there? I don't want it to be any more or less than it is right now. So I'm just going to put a screwdriver in, twist, I'll pop that little bit right there, and then we'll take the lens off. So this is why it sucks to cut things open, even if you have a face mask and all the other stuff, because it's just gross. Like, this isn't fun. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this for you. I don't want to do it. Like, I want to show you how you can do it, but I don't want to do it. This is for Evan. And after that, there's no more. Yeah, any more cutting lenses off are gonna be done on a badass ultrasonic cutter, or not at all. You might consider subscribing so that you can learn more about the skills, the parts, and the business of building custom lights, which is what I'm always talking about on the channel. So you'll learn how to do things to your own lights, to customer lights, I don't know. We're trying to show you how to do it. So yeah, you might kind of want to see when we give you free tips. If you don't need to cut and reseal because you have the type of lights that heat up in the oven, then you should watch that video, not this one. I mean, you should watch them both, but check out that video too.